Kamusta sa lahat? Welcome back sa ating travel adventure. Araw na ng day 3 at marami tayong nakaka-excite na i-discover. Ngayon, mas lalo nating tuklasin ang kagandahan ng mga lugar na ito. Tokyo Station, Meiji Jinju Shrine and UUG Park, Hachiko Memorial Statue, at Shibuya Crossing. Stay tuned as we uncover more of what this beautiful places has to offer. Let's go! Medyo naligaw kami due to the numerous corners and pathways in the station. The maze-like structure made it difficult to navigate. Kaya medyo nagkahiwalay-hiwalay kami. However, after some wandering and a bit of confusion, nagkita-kita din kami, turning a moment of disorientation into unexpected adventure. Ang round ceiling inside Tokyo Station ay may detailed designs at elegant architecture, showcasing yung kasaysayan at kagandahan ng station. Tokyo Station is a major railway hub in Japan, known for its distinctive red brick facade and malawak na underground network nito. After taking pictures, pumasok ulit kami sa Tokyo Station to have our lunch. Ang nasabing station ay merong madaming mapipilian ng nakainan at mga stores. After eating lunch, lumakad na kami sa pinakamahaba ang area papunta ng Meiji Jinju Shrine and Yoyogi Park. Siya ay napakagandang lugar na dapat hindi ma-miss puntahan. Yoyogi Park is where you can see one of Japan's most impressive shrines. Kung type mong mag-walking or just relax and enjoy the green scenery, this is the place to go. Meiji Jinju Shrine is a Shinto shrine in Tokyo, dedicated to Emperor Meiji and Empress Shoken. Ito ay napapalibutan ng magandang forest. Welcome to Hachiko Memorial Statue! Si Hachiko ay isang aso na pumupunta sa Shibuya Station araw-araw upang hintayin ang kanyang amo na bumalik mula sa trabaho. Isang araw, hindi na bumalik ang kanyang amo dahil nagkaroon ito ng fatal cerebral hemorrhage. Sa kabila nito, patuloy na naghihintay si Hachiko sa parehong lugar araw-araw sa loob ng 9 na taon na nagpapakita ng kanyang walang kapantay na katapatan. Nakapagpa-pictures kami dyan for, of course, souvenirs bago kami naglakad-lakad sa pinaka-busiest crossing. Shibuya Crossing is here. Ito ang Zenju-dori and street that passes right in front of the Hachiko exit of Shibuya Station. Is where you will find the world's famous Shibuya Crossing. Very, very busy street talaga sila. Ito ay isang crossing kung saan pinapatigil lahat ng sasakyan in all directions to allow pedestrians to occupy the entire intersection. On that night, nagkaroon pa rin kami ng chance na pumunta ng Ginza to visit Uniqlo. I think siya yung pinakamalaking Uniqlo in Tokyo. Thank you for watching my vlog. See you on my next destination, ang Mount Fuji. Bye-bye!